Hello, this is Clay Maltzgoon again, and I'm here with another instructional video on how to use JSTOR. Now, the first video I just sort of explained the basics and the background of the website, what it's there for and who made it and what's inside of it, but now I'm going to actually go and show you what the actual site looks like. So this is the main page. It's pretty bare bones. You can see there's the login, the just about various menus over here. But obviously your first step is to log in. Now, unfortunately, JSTOR is not a free for everyone database. It requires a subscription, but since you're all students, luckily you automatically gain access to JSTOR via virtue of being a university student. Now, your first step is to just I accidentally clicked in login through your library, which is of course another great option, but since we're here doing university, we can click log into your account, and you can type in your username or password or your Google account if you have it linked up with, say, Google Scholar or something, which you might. Or you could simply click find my institution, and of course it nails down the fact that we're in California, and you can see there's quite a long list here, so I'm going to go to my university, which is of course San Jose State, and hit login. Enter the password, and there we go. Alright, and it looks the same, but now you can access a lot more. Now, of course, first basic step is to say, just type in sort of any basic topic or historical period that you might want to be interested. Say you wanted to read about the Spanish-American War. And you'll just type that in here, and see, it's useful when you type it in. It gives you whether you want to specify whether the author or the title or the publication name. So here we'll just search for title, which is a helpful way to refine your search. And you can see right away it gives us 217 results. And right here you can already see there's quite a lot. You can see images, which is useful if you want to provide sort of images or visual content in any of your research or your papers. And then of course you can see there's all these book chapters here and these different journal articles you see here. Women physicians in the Spanish-American War, various book chapters from a lot of historical military books. And now let's see let's click on. Let's say Texans in this thing. Now, Texans in the Spanish-American War. Now, the quickest way to just read this is just click download PDF, and of course it'll give you the terms and conditions screen, which you can read the terms and conditions. Of course, it's advisable that you do, but we're not going to do that on this video demonstration. Now we can accept and proceed to downloads, and we can also permanently save your acceptance on your JSTOR account, which is nice if you want to just skip clicking on this screen every single time. But we'll just click on download, and here it'll take us, and you can see right here And you can view this on any sort of PDF viewer that you have. And it'll be readable on there, and you can see right here the author, the source, the URL. And here's the article. And you can, of course, expand it or do anything that you really want. Expand the size or rotate it to see images. It really depends on what you're using to view the PDF file. And at the bottom of each page, you'll see here, well, let's find a better page. You see right here, there are the citations for all of the sources that are used in each of these journals. Now, some of them will have them at the end of the article, others will have them at the bottom of each page. That also depends on the journal, of course, you're printing it from. Now, if we go back, we can go up and see there's quite a few options to refine your search here, which I'll go more into detail on that in the next video. But you can see here, you can refine your content to either journals or books. You can select the specific publication dates that you want to narrow your search in between, as well as finding multiple different subjects. I'm sure almost all of these are going to be history, but there are also multiple other different aspects. And if you want to, say, cover many other aspects of, say, the Spanish-American War or any other topic that you are thinking of covering, it's right here. So I hope this helps you out on beginning your JSTOR search, and thank you.